Make way for the Anvil.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing the Hart Foundation from Reno, Nevada. Weighing in at 281 pounds, one half of the Smackdown Tag Team Champions, Jim the Anvil Neidhart.
A founding member of the Hart Foundation, multiple-time tag team champion, Hall of Famer, and father of Natalya.
Few hit harder than the Anvil. Let the power of positivity take over your soul.
Unbridled enthusiasm should be the middle name for Kofi Kingston.
Whose mother would name them unbridled enthusiasm, Cole?
Representing the New Day from Ghana, West Africa, weighing in at 212 pounds, Kofi Kingston.
Don't you just feel good when Kofi Kingston enters the arena?
I feel better when he exits, but we are about to see some gravity-defying maneuvers and unparalleled agility.
But Kofi gets down to business, Corey, when it's time for action.
No doubt about it. You don't last this long in WWE unless you know how to get the job done, which Kofi does.
Kofi Kingston here, a superstar who will tell you himself why he loves to have fun and keep things light and positive. He still strives for greatness here in WWE, not just as a tag team competitor, but in a singles competition as well.
Absolutely. As soon as Kofi steps into the squared circle and that bell rings, he's out there to prove he's the very best.
Tonight, he has another chance to prove just that.
And I do not envy his task to cover.
He breaks the ref's count before 2.
Still not enough to put him away. DDT.
And he saw Kofi coming.
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
Drop kick.
Hits the mark.
Just into the cover. Kicks out after 1.
Refusing to give up even an inch of ground as this match continues. Kofi doing what he can do to halter the beatdown.
The U-turn Kofi needed in this match could have been that right there. I know Kofi loves to have fun and preach about the power of positivity, but tonight he needs to take things seriously in the ring. Get serious and get it done.
And they were just sent flying on that one. Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of it.
The bear hug cinched in. Gotta find a way out and catch your breath.
Look at this, no quit whatsoever, raining down elbows and escaping the bear hug.
Oh.
Ah, jeez.
Oh, man.
Right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
Out of the way. Deliver a super kick in response.
Oh, what a clothesline. What are they going to do here? Leg snap.
Inflicting more damage to the leg.
He's feeling the effects of that last hit. Neidhart scaling the turnbuckles.
Flying all the way to the outside. Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Clothesline! Nice combo. Kingston running into some trouble, guys.
Neidhart is doing a great job remaining engaged with the opposition. And I think, yeah, the Anvil is busted up, guys.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat.
Textbook vertical suplex. Bam. Big knee. And right between the shoulders. Does he have him here?
What a win. What a victory tonight.
And no doubt about it, he certainly earned it.
He certainly earned the right to celebrate.
Yeah, I was going to say celebrate, but maybe not.
Oh,
come on now.
This is ridiculous.
I mean, somebody stop this idiot.
This isn't proving anything. You won the match already. Get out of here.